Hello YouTube, and welcome to your 6th Java tutorial, or your first programming challenge. So this is going to be the first programming challenge that I give you guys, and later in the video I will show you how to answer it. But what I'm going to ask you guys to do is make a program where you can get two numbers of input from the user, and then you add them together. So any two numbers, add them together, and then print out the answer. So pause the video now, try it, and then come back, click play, and I will show you how to do it. So I'll give you a second to pause, and then we will get going. Alright, so I hope you have paused the video. Now I'm going to show you how to create this program. So go ahead, open up Eclipse with just the main method, and we're going to get into it. So the first thing we're going to need is a couple of doubles. So double num1, and this is another way you can do doubles, num2, sum. So instead of creating them in with each having one line, you can do it this way. So I'm just gonna do it in one line just so it's shorter, but do it however you want. As long as you have 3 doubles, this should work. Then you're gonna need a scanner. I'm gonna call mine scan equals new scanner. Remember the system.in, and then always end everything with a semicolon. As you can see, it's not imported, so if you just press Control Shift and O, it'll import it for you. So now what we're going to need to do is do a output statement. We're going to say, what is the first number? Then we can do num1 is equal to scan dot next double. Now I'm just going to make this easy, and I can copy and paste. What is the second number? Num2 is equal to scan dot next double. So then we can say sum is equal to num1 plus num2. System.out.print the answer is plus sum. Now when we run this, it should say, what is the first number? Let's just type 2. What is the second number? 1. The answer is 3. But since they are doubles, we could do 2.5, and then 3.5, 6. So that is how you format and program a program where you can add two numbers together. Like I said, you can just do this. If you prefer that, you can format it differently. I do think it looks a little bit better, but I was going for efficiency and less lines. So if yours looks like this, this is still how it will work. Eventually we can make this format continuous, and once we learn if statements, we can figure out if we want to multiply, add, subtract, divide, or a different type of multiplication, not multiplication, but a different type of math function called modulus. We can do that. So leave a like on this video, guys, subscribe, go check out my Instagram and Twitter. I always post when I upload a video. Go check out my first OpenGL devlog video, and I will see you guys on the next one.